Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to read 5 Little Raindrops Falling from the Sky. The author is Steve Metzger, that's the person who wrote the words, and it was illustrated by Mike Byrne, that's the person who drew the pictures. So this is 5 little raindrops falling from the sky. 5 little raindrops falling from the sky. One splashed into a butterfly. The robin told the blue jay, and the blue jay said, "No more raindrops falling from the sky." 4 little raindrops spinning through the air. One woke up a big brown bear. The beaver told the rabbit, and the rabbit said, "No more raindrops spinning through the air." 3 little raindrops swirling all around. One sank into the muddy, muddy ground. The turtle told the duckling, and the duckling said, "No more raindrops swirling all around." 2 little raindrops blowing in the breeze. One fell beneath 2 towering trees. The squirrel told the chipmunk, and the chipmunk said, "No more raindrops blowing in the breeze." 1 little raindrop tumbling toward a trail bounced and twirled and landed on a snail. The beetle told the cricket, and the cricket said, "No more raindrops tumbling toward a trail." The rain kept falling. The bird took a look. 5 little raindrops trickled toward a brook. The brook kept flowing. It was like a dream. 5 little raindrops approached a sparkling stream. The stream branched off just a little sliver, and 5 little raindrops headed for the river. The river's winding journey ended at the sea. 5 little raindrops as happy as can be. The sun came out, the weather hot and dry. Lots of teeny droplets rose up to the sky. Waiting in the cloud for the next time when 5 little raindrops fall from the sky again. The end. 5 little raindrops falling from the sky. I hope you enjoyed that book. I'm going to give you a couple clues to guess who I am. The first clue is that I'm a preschool teacher. The second clue is that my favorite color is pink. The third clue is my favorite food is chocolate. And I'm going to give you one more. My name is the same as a food, and this is a type of food you would put on a bun with ketchup and pickles. I'll give you a couple seconds to try to guess. Count down from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? Hi, friends. It's me, Miss Berger. If you guessed right, thumbs up. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for listening. Bye.